Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Privacy. Following that, select Location, located under App Permissions, and click on Change under Location for this device is, in my case, off. Now just click on the white switcher over here to turn on your device's location. You can switch it off by choosing the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!